Hi, I am Rushil and this is Dograh. So every node in this workflow has the same persona block copy pasted in. 3 nodes, 3 places to break when anything changes. Global node is the fix. Write the shared instructions once, like persona, tone, rules, compliance guardrails, all of them go here. This becomes the foundation of every agent node. Each agent node has this option called add global prompt. Flip it on and that node receives the global node content prepended to its own prompt before every LLM call. When you go in agent runs and click on any call that has happened in the past and just go inside view trace, you can find each and every LLM call like this. So here the combined prompt shows the global prompt first and then the agent specific instruction follows. The LLM reads both of them as one set of rules. A node with the toggle off gets nothing. Alex loses his entire persona and compliance rule for that entire step. For example here. So here there is no global prompt present and it's just the agent specific instructions. Let's just go back to Dograh. So inside the global node, if you update any instruction once, then it propagates everywhere the toggle is on. No hunting through every node to find that one old line. For example, I will be replacing this never threaten legal action with never reference legal proceedings without supervisor approval. Once I have updated this one line, this is circulated through every agent node while the call is going on. So you don't have to update each and every agent node for any persona rules or compliance rules. And remember, you can only have one global node in one workflow. Just like if you try to add it, you cannot add it. So this is it. This was the introduction to global node. And in the next video, we are going to discuss the start call node. So that's it for today. I'll see you next time.